porch is finally done. What we wound up doing was, well, some of the gates that we actually had to take off because they weren't painted or primed or painted. So we had to take those off, paint them, prime them, paint them, reassemble them, and then come back and put these little corner brackets on. Just for some added strength. Top cap. Just to cap off the dado cut so you don't see them anymore. Here's what we did cattle panel wise. We dadoed these so the cattle panel just sits in here. And then at the top we just ripped this piece of trim and then just screwed it in to capture it. So it's not going anywhere. It's held up through lots of storms. And as mentioned, if somebody wants to paint them, just unscrew these. I don't know why that looks like that, but that's terrible looking. Unscrew these, this cattle panel will come out and you can go paint them. So it keeps the dogs off, keeps my father-in-law upright and safe, and he's happy. Wonderful creosote has come through, even though that's like at least 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of paint, except this guy or that guy. I don't remember. I actually think it's that guy. He's got 3 coats of, or 4 coats of primer and 3 coats of paint. He was really bad. Anyway, there you go. That's the ramp all finished.